Laban Pilipinas! Alaka! Patay na po! Foul. Kumpiyansa ang Brazil. Huwag niyong maliitin ang Pilipinas. Kahit 6 na players pa yung nandyan, nasa loob, na nasa NBA, tatalunin kayo ng mga small but terrible. Alright.
Gets a little piece of it, gets his hand in, gets a deflection. All those little things that the Philippines have been doing in every game. Yeah, the leading scorers in the tournament averaging 91, but a lot of that starts because they break up the other team's rhythm and get shots that they really want going the other way. As long as they keep rebounding in this game, they've got an amazing chance to make it to the final. If they can just keep rebounding, I think that could be a huge night for Filipino basketball. The Gilas in the final would be a story.
My word, would it be.
Yan, kumpiyansa yun ng Brazil. Go finals. Go Brownlee. Go Brownlee. 25-33. 3 points sa naman. Pusa na dyan. Okay lang yan. Bawi lang. Bawi lang mga ka-foodie. Mga ka-DIY kung ano bang tawagan natin sa isa. Napaka-exciting po yung laro ng kwan ngayon ng Pilipinas. Alright. Gamit lang yan. Triangle offense. Hindi pa pinapasok ang 7-3 footer natin. Okay lang yan, okay lang, bawi lang, bawi lang. Okay lang yan. Mayroon pa tayong 25 seconds.
Ramos still with it. Clock ticks down to 10 seconds.
10 seconds, Brownlee.
Just lose a bit.
Alright, the Kraken. Patay. Okay lang yan. Bawi lang. May 3 seconds pa tayo. Lamang tayo. Okay lang yan. May lamang pa tayo. Time out ang Brazil. Puro. Time out sila dito para makuha nilang points sila. Pero defense lang po. Defense lang, Philippines. Kaya nyo yan. Meron pa tayong enough time. Hindi natin maintindihan yung sinasabi ng coach ng Brazil. Basta sabi niya, ikaw, ganito, ganyan, ganito pa dito. Punta ka dito, ganyan na. Tapos i-shoot mo ang bola. O, yun na. May 3 seconds pa tayo, sabi niya. Alright. May 6 na NBA players po ang Brazil. Pero kakayanin ng ating team Gilas Pilipinas. Basta laban lang puso! Alright.
See what their plans are as they come out of this timeout and back onto the floor. Marcelinho's been the one for the all tournament, really, the 41-year-old looking to go to his 3rd Olympics. He's put the T on his back time and time again, not just this tournament, but throughout his whole career. Can he conjure up the rest of this game? Started from the baseline. Kaboklo.
Uy, na-foul pa. Traveling foul. Okay lang yan. Nasabit konti si Perez, na foul pa siya. Okay, triangle defense po tayo or zone defense tayo. Yan, yung ginamit po. Baka mamaya ipapasok na si Kai Soto po. Boom. Wala talagang shooting yung Brazil. Okay, lamang pa rin tayo ng 6 points po pagkatapos ng second quarter po. Alright, 27-33. Ayan po yung score. Alright, tuloy lang po. Hindi lang bababa ng 8 points to 10 points ang lamang nila. Praying na lang tayo mga ka-DIY, no? So nabaliktad na po ang sitwasyon ngayon. So maraming turnovers kasi yung Gilas Pilipinas. Ayan, 53-67. Last 2 minutes na lang. Parang hindi na siguro makahabol.
Perez meets him this time.
Swerte naman sila. Sige lang, may 2 minutes pa man. Yung straight ng 3 points. Okay. Ayan, napa-time out. Time out. Bigla ang Brazil sa
Perez on one.
shot ni Tamayo.
Marcelinho's
Ayan.
run and then Tamayo getting involved from the corner. Do they have enough
Gilang
time?
keep praying lang po tayo. Baka di ay bilog ang mundo. Bilog ang bola. Alright. Okay, tapusin lang po natin yung laro nila. Sige lang. Hindi pa ngayon ang ano.
Why wouldn't you? He's feeling it. Cheers. He can't finish on the putback though. He does.
Huwag na lang pilitin kung hindi talaga.
And I heard the Philippines.
Susunod na naman. Turnover na naman. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 17.
Comes back into the
Nahirap
game.
ng habulin po yan. 69-56.
Fajardo on the bench. Seeing some double-double. Miami consolation. So what can the Philippines do here? Looking for Brownlee, of course, and Jorginho comes back into the game at the right time to disrupt him. Perez, what can he do? Goes behind the back, finds the way in.
Yan ang kailangan nila eh. 1 minute na lang po.
Needs to come now for Philippines, Lozada. Back at the top.
Wala na talaga.
Klopp is their biggest friend at the moment.
Down to 5. Yes, big spin.
44 seconds na lang po.
Timeout called on the floor.
Alright.
5 seconds left in this game. 0.6 left on the shot clock. So
Mayroon pang hindi na talaga makakahabol yung Pilipinas. Sige. Sa susunod na lang po. Marami kasi mga turnovers yung sa Pilipinas. Yun po ang pagkakamali natin. Hindi na nakahabol sila. Natambakan na sila na lalo.
Scoring team in the tournament, averaging 91, is down to 58.
Alright. So,
Jorginho is the biggest reason for that, with the whole Brazilian defense.
sunod na po siguro.
Rim protection, rebound,
Lahat na lang po lahat. Nandun na po sila sa lahat.
absolutely tremendous balls, almost over the
Alright.
line
Sunod na laro. At least nakarating sila sa semis.
for the Philippines.
Yung Pilipinas. Alright.
Brazil scored from everywhere. They have 20 odd points from the game.
Dito na lang po makikita nila yung ranking kung sino talaga yung number 6, number 7, ganun siya.
Besides Maldinho,
Okay lang yan, Kai. Mag-practice ka pa na mag-practice, Kai, para sa sunod. Starting 5 ka na. 44 seconds na lang po.
Philippines had to look to their bench a lot more.
Captain's at 37% from the floor. You're not going to win a semi-final in this competition shooting 37%.
11-point lead for Brazil. 45 seconds left in the game. Jorginho has to go.
Miracle shot. Okay lang yan.
Gallantly all game, and he gets a well-deserved basket. That's to finish off a winning night for Brazil. Perez banks it in for the Philippines. Marcelinho. He's been a warrior, not just today, but for the whole tournament. Mendel doesn't take the shot this time. Look at the line.
Magkampay na lang po.
Okay, hanggang dito na lang.
Still celebrating. Coach is shaking hands. 12 seconds still left. Scoreline 71 to 60 at the moment. The crowd in the house celebrating. Checking. 70 seconds left.
Ayan na, hanggang dito na lang. Pasok na talaga yung Brazil.
Recovery time that they can. They approach the grand final. And full time.
Alright. Thank you, Gilas Pilipinas. At least, naging contender kayo sa European League. At least, pinakita nyo lahat yung kaya ninyo na panalo. Ipinalang. Okay lang yan. May next time pa man. Pero kay Soto, ito na lang yung tatandaan mo. Mag-ensayo ka pa ng mag-ensayo para makasabay ka sa ano. Okay, sayang yung height mo sana. Hindi ka nagamit sa larong ito. Kailangan kasi ng team. Pero pasensya ka na. Yun lang nasabi ko. Kasi parang nanonood ka lang sa sine. Pasensya na sa sinasabi ko ngayon ha. Discrimination ko ngayon. Kaya pala na siguro may iniindak ng sakit. Pero sige lang sa sunod kay, ayusin mo. Mag-practice ka pa ng mag-practice. Alright, God bless us all, Gilas Pilipinas. At least pinakita ninyo ang kakayanan ninyo sa larong basketball. Thank you, Coach Tim Coin, the rest of the team. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching.